How are you all? Have you enjoyed your summer vacation? Yes, there is a broad smile. I hope you enjoyed. Yes? And you enjoyed with your parents also this time. Yes? You stayed in the home? Yes, so you enjoyed a lot, I know. So now it is the time for English class. Yes? Which subject, children? English. See on the board, children. English class. And now you are in class 2. Which class? Class 2. You passed class 1 and you came to class 2. Great, children. You came to class 2. And you know, children, in your class 2 English textbook, there are so many funny and interesting stories. You like stories? Yes. So in our class 2 textbook English, we have lot many interesting stories. And this particular today now I am going to tell you one story, children. And this is very interesting story. You want to listen to this story? You want to listen? It's nice story. It is about a small girl called Goldilocks. What is it, children? Goldilocks. G-O-L-D-I, Goldie, L-O-C-K, Goldilocks. And the 3 bears. And the 3 bears. Bears means teddy bear. Bear, you know? Yes. So this story is about a small girl and 3 bears. You like it? You want to hear to the story? Yes, the story is very nice. And here I wrote some keywords for you, children. Important words. If you remember these words, whole story you can remember. Okay? These are important words in the story. That is Goldilocks. Goldilocks, the name of the girl in the story. She went for picnic. You go to picnic, no? We will go to field trip picnic. Yes? We go to resorts, summer pet resorts. We go to zoo park. That is picnic. And small cottage. Small cottage means a small house in a forest. A small house in a forest. Porridge. Porridge. P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E. Porridge means it is food, food, students. It is made up of oats. It is made up of oats and milk. Oats and milk. Okay. Generally, in your house, your mom or your dad will be eating oats. You know that? It is a food item. Okay. So, porridge is made of oats and milk. Bears, you know bear, teddy bear. Okay. Bowl. Bowl means what, children? Dish. Small dish. You have in home? Dishes? Small dish. Chair, bed and family. If you remember these words, you can remember the whole story. Okay. And what is the story about? A small girl called Goldilocks. What is her name? Goldilocks. And the 3 bears. Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Shall I tell you the story, children? Shall I start the story? You want to listen to it? Okay, here we go. Once there lived a girl called Goldilocks. And she went to picnic with her parents. She went to picnic with her parents. And she lost. She was lost. She was lost. Her parents were somewhere. She was somewhere. So she was alone there. She was alone. So she went to one cottage. She saw one small cottage, small house there in the forest. So she went into that cottage. And she was feeling hungry. She was feeling hungry and she wanted to eat something. So she went into the cottage. There in the cottage, you know what she saw? She saw 3 bowls. 3 bowls, 3 dishes. And in the dish, what is there, children? Porridge is there. Porridge. That is, I told you, no, it is made up of oats and milk. So she took first bowl, she ate it. It is very hot, so she did not eat. She took the second bowl. It was very cold, so she did not want to eat it. She took the third bowl. That was good. She was able to eat it. So she ate. And she was tired. She is a small girl, no? She was tired. She wanted to sit. So she saw 3 chairs. How many chairs? 3 chairs. She went and sat in the first chair. It was too big for her. She was very small. Then she went to second chair. That was too high for her. She could not sit on it. So she went to third chair. That was good for her, comfortable for her. She was happy. Then she was getting sleep. Small girl, no? She is very small. And what is her name? Yes, you are right. Goldilocks. So she was getting sleep. There were how many beds? 3 beds. How many beds, children? 3 beds were there. First bed was very hard. H-A-R-D, hard. She could not sleep on it. So she went to second bed. It was very soft. There also she could not sleep. Then she went to third bed. That bed was good for her to sleep. So she fell asleep. She was sleeping. Then 3 bears came into the cottage. Mom bear, dad bear and the baby bear. It was their house. It was their house. All 3 came and they saw that food was over. The girl ate the food. Who ate the food? The girl. What is her name? Goldilocks. And she broke the chair. The chair fell down. So they did not understand who did all this. And somebody was sleeping on the bed. Who was sleeping on the bed, children? Goldilocks was sleeping on the bed. So the bears asked, "What is your name?" Then she said, "My name is Goldilocks and I don't know where my parents are. I lost my way," she said. Then the bear said, "Your parents are searching for you. Your parents are searching for you. You please go back to your family." Then the girl was very happy to go back to her family. She met her parents. She went back to her parents and she was very happy to go back to her family. So did you understand Goldilocks and the 3 bears? Yes, the story is very nice, no? You enjoyed it, children?